Why is there a growing demand for pellet 3D printers in the international market? Not only is it applicable to a wide range of materials, but more importantly, it prints fast and has low material cost. In certain industries, there must be huge room for play. For example, our G12 3D printer is compatible with soft and hard consumables, including ABS, PVC, PC, PA, HDPE, TPU, EVA, etc. It is also suitable for other improved consumables such as PC plus ABS, and the cost ratio of granular consumables, the wire is 2 to 5 times cheaper. In addition, as far as the printing speed is concerned, our G12 uses a 3mm nozzle to achieve a flow rate of 5 pounds per hour, and a 1mm nozzle to achieve a feed rate of 7,000 mm per minute. It is very suitable for manufacturers who have requirements for printing speed.